Welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many developers face when using the builder pattern Java. The issue at hand arises when dealing with builders that extend other builders, causing the chaining of methods to break. This problem can be quite frustrating as it limits the flexibility and ease of use that builders are meant to provide. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. By leveraging Lombok's at Super Builder annotation and structuring our builder classes with the appropriate type parameters, we can ensure that the correct builder types are returned and maintain the chaining functionality regardless of the order in which methods are called. This approach requires defining custom methods that return the specific builder type and making use of the self method generated by at Super Builder. In summary, by properly structuring our builder classes and utilizing Lombok's at Super Builder annotation, we can overcome the issue of method chaining breaking in builders that extend other builders. This solution ensures a seamless building experience and enhances the readability and maintainability of our code. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a witty comment below.